When you play this crazy game, precision is a must, and any technology that can help us be more precise and improve our overall performance is definitely worth a look, which is why today we're unboxing and reviewing the new ShotScope V5. And before you instantly default to the idea that, oh, it's another watch GPS, I'm going to have you hold on to that thought for a little while because there is a lot more packed into this box than meets the eye. So we're going to open up the app, hit watches, we're going to go down to V5 and hit continue, and now it gives us some instructions. We're going to select our time zone. We'll use 12 hour. I like AM and PM. We will go with yards. We are right-handed. We are a right-handed golfer, so the ShotScope will need to be worn on my left hand. Listed. How about we go to the one in my hometown? Now, what it wants us to do is put the tags into the butt of my clubs. So let's go and do that so that we can set up the proper shot tracking. This is my driver, so I'm going to take the tag that has the D on it, and it is just going to screw right into the butt end of this. The tags are really, really light, so you're not going to in any way, shape, or form notice a change to the weight of the club. And what we're going to do is compare the distances on the ShotScope V5 to what we see on the GPS in the cart. So we have some water in front of us that's not very far away. We have a bunker on the right side that looks as if it's 205 to carry according to the ShotScope V5. And inside the cart, we see 395 to the pin, which makes sense because the hole is located at the very back of the green. We see similar distances to our hazards. If you're a right-handed golfer, the ShotScope needs to go on your left wrist. I didn't feel any difference in my swing. In the cart, the screen says to the pin, we've got 146. That's got me at 46. Here on the watch, it just has front, middle, and back. It's got the back at 50. So we're right in the correct neighborhood. There's a little bit of confusion because the cart tells me I have 93 yards to the pin. So I grab my Bushnell, it says I have 83 yards to the pin, and I look down at my ShotScope V5 and it says I have 81 yards to the pin. There is a benefit to having something localized on your wrist or using a laser to make sure you've got the right number, but it's showing me that it's 502 to the middle of the green, 492 front, 513 to the back. So there it is, from initial setup, unboxing, charging, syncing, downloading apps, making sure all the firmware is updated, and playing a couple of holes, your look at the ShotScope V5.